Before making any adjustments to the seat matters chairs, lock the 2 brake casters at the back of the chair for safety. To replace the gas strut on a Milano, first we locate the gas strut that we're replacing and remove the cable by pulling it out from the gas strut. Then using a 17mm spanner and a 17mm socket, we loosen the nut and bolt holding the gas strut in place. To reconnect the new gas strut, we just follow the process in reverse. To reconnect the cable, we feed the barrel at the end of the cable into the gas strut head and clip it back into place. To replace any of the gas struts on the Milano, we follow the same procedure.